Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G502 X Plus. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. In the beginning, let's go to Logitech G Hub, select Assignments and select Macros. Create a new macro, name the macro, now select macro type, for example toggle, and now start recording. You can record keystrokes, text, emojis, action, launch application, system or delay. Stop recording, tap save, and your macro is done. Now simply select button you would like to assign macro to and select your macro, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.